Hey everyone, Victoria here, CEO and founder of Credit Fix Solutions, and I have one of the best score jump success stories for you. This client's score jumped from 595 to 1033. Isn't that awesome? He was then able to move on, get the best loan he possibly could through his broker. Fantastic result, all done in just under 3 weeks. So default removed from his credit report in just under 3 weeks. Not only that, a score jump from 595 to 1033. Great result. It's great work here at Credit Fix Solutions. Nothing to pay unless we can get a default removed. We can also remove court action. So I have my law firm as well, Credit Fix Lawyers. Please get in touch. Don't listen to credit repair companies who tell you that they can remove things in less than 3 weeks. Not possible. In fact, removing a default in around 3 weeks is about as quick as it's ever going to get. And please be mindful of credit repair companies charging upfront, even if they have a refund clause. We've spoken to many consumers who've never received their refunds. So please get in touch. You can email the team at sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. And that was client success story ID 6797. Thanks for listening.